In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Dkim key in Salesforce. This is an essential step to ensure your emails are authenticated and trusted, reducing the likelihood of them being marked as spam. Let's get started and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the configurations you'll need. Once you're there, look for the option called Open Advanced Setup. This is where you'll find a variety of settings to customize Salesforce to your needs. With the Advanced Setup open, we'll need to type Dkim keys into the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the exact feature we are working with. After typing in Dkim keys, hit enter, and you should see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be in the Dkim keys section. Here, you'll see any existing keys you might have, but today, we're focusing on creating a new one. So look for the button or link that says Create New Key and give that a click. This will take you to a new page dedicated to setting up your Dkim key. On this new page, you'll be prompted to enter several details. The first field is the Selector. This is a unique name you'll use to differentiate this key from others. Choose something descriptive but concise. A good practice is to use the date or a specific project name for easy reference later on. After you've entered the selector, there is an option for an alternate selector. This is not mandatory, but if there's another name you want to use in conjunction with the first, you can enter it here. Next, it's time to specify your domain. This is crucial because the domain will link to your emails, ensuring they are verified and authenticated correctly. Enter the domain you'll be sending emails from, ensuring there are no typos, as this could lead to configuration issues. Following the domain field, you'll find an option for domain match pattern. This pattern helps to find specific matches for your domain when signing emails. It's usually safe to leave this as default unless you have a specific pattern in mind that's needed for your setup. Finally, with all the details filled out, look for the Save button and click it. This saves your new Dkim key, enabling it for use with your emails. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up a Dkim key in Salesforce. Be sure to test your emails to verify that everything is working smoothly. By following these steps, your email security in Salesforce will be enhanced, helping you ensure your communications are trusted and reliable. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tutorials.